I don't know if I'm ready for a sugar high. Are you ready for like a sugar medium? What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and this is Ruby Rails. She has Robot Runway on Saturdays. You're back. I'm back. Better than ever. Today we are doing some Halloween food hacks. Are you ready for a sugar high? Because I'm kind of already on a sugar high, but it's okay. How about you? It's time to spook your world. I just want one time where I don't play the theme song and it's just us actually singing it. Spook your world now. Spook your world now. Spook your world now. Spook your world now. And for our first hack, we have poison apples for all your friends. I'm kidding. For all your enemies. Just kidding. Do you need help? It's just like a candy-coated apple. It's like, see future. Also, yeah. I look great. Also, I see your future, but also, I look great. We're gonna taste test this real quick. Are you ready to taste test it? It kind of tastes like grape for some reason. It's like a grape apple. It kind of tastes like a smoky wood fire with some grape marshmallows. Oh, that's not bad. It's really good. Have you ever tried a cotton candy grape? Oh my god, they're cotton candy grapes. This is what it tastes like. It tastes like go me. That's too much sugar. For this DIY, you'll need apples, an apple stick, sugar, corn syrup, black gel food coloring, candy thermometer, and edible shimmer. First, create your poison by combining the sugar, corn syrup, food coloring, and shimmer. Add the sticks to the apples and dip in the mixture. Then set aside to cool. I give this a 6 out of 10. Perfect for any party. Yeah, you have it on your nose. Mom, can you pick me up? Oh my gosh. Have you guys ever gone bobbing for apples? Yeah. Well, the reason they float is because 25% of their volume is made up of air. That's why they're so plush. Like when you bite into them, it's just so satisfying. Kind of like a watermelon, because it's like it's 90% water. That's why it's super juicy. These aren't that juicy, but they're so good. Kind of get stuck to your teeth. Remember my teeth? Yeah, your lips are like dyed black. My lips are dyed black. That pop-in lipstick. If you guys want to break your teeth and get on a crazy sugar high, if you want to break your teeth, pineapple apple. She's on a sugar high, folks. Already one thing. And for our next hack, we have punch. Floating hand punch, that is. Yes, these are, oh gosh. They're ice cubes. Okay, the finger broke off. Oh gosh, my hand. Ice with black eye. Another finger got decapitated. Do you want this finger? Nope, I don't. Are you sure you don't want the, okay, I'll take the finger. Oh. It's black lead. It makes them look purple, like they're kind of swollen. Yeah. So fancy. It is so cool. Yeah. Isn't that so cool? Let's throw into cute or whatever. Oh my goodness gracious. Wowee. Oh, just knocked up a finger. For this DIY, you'll need latex gloves, rubber bands, tonic water, punch bowl, lemon juice, pineapple juice, and strawberries. First, let your tonic water go flat. Then use it to fill your gloves.
Now put your hands in the freezer. Make the punch with all your juices, tonic water, and strawberries. Once frozen, remove the gloves from the hands and float the ice in your punch. Turn on your black light and prepare to be amazed.
It's just creepy to see like a hand in there. Like, oh my God, is that a finger? You want strawberries? That.
I'm good at this, I promise.
Okay. It may not taste amazing.
I mean, it tastes like pineapples.
It tastes like pineapple and grapefruit. It's whatever drink you want, but it's mostly just for the look purposes. It's not about the taste, guys. It's all about the hand.
No. And then if you really want to go crazy, you can put like a finger in there. Look at all the fingers are gone. All of them are gone.
It's really spooky.
Look at it. It's like points now.
I have some fun facts to drop on you. Okay, well, one fun fact. Do you know that 2/3 of fresh water, like on Earth, is in glacier form, like frozen in glaciers?
Right here.
Just drop that fact.
Oh, that was good.
That was great.
Ruby, are you ready for the last tag?
I'm ready.
Jelly eyeballs. I can't really see when they're backwards.
Wait, maybe don't do that.
Oh, that one worked. That one worked. That one worked. Okay. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. This is sticky.
Oh my gosh. Look at those. Ooh.
Okay. Some of them worked. Some of them.
Oh my God. They're kind of like spooky.
Okay. It's kind of like Droopadoops.
Oh.
Okay. For this DIY, you'll need milk, sugar, Jell-O, molds, black frosting, Knox gelatin, and toothpicks. Make green Jell-O and add to the mold. Once that's set, place a small circle of black frosting in the middle of the Jell-O molds to make your pupil. And freeze it. Add this mixture on top of the original molds with the help of toothpicks. Place those in your fridge till it's all set. One eyeball coming right up.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Excuse me. Viewer discretion
so
advised.
pretty.
How's that pretty?
These might be a little bit of a fail, but we had
a
a great 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 hacks worked. If you added some gelatin and made it more like sturdy, I feel like it would be a W to kind of make it thicker. If you guys can master these, just let me know in the comments down below. I want the people. You're going for it. I mean, it's Jell-O, like it's not bad. Tastes delicious. It's very limey.
Have you ever dissected an eye in school?
Yes. I dissected one last year. Yeah, it squirted at me. You have to like stab it and then cut around the iris and it squirted. It got in my friend's eye.
Ew.
I was wearing goggles like I was supposed to. Missy over here wasn't. And it just, if you are dissecting an eyeball, please wear your safety goggles. Do you want eyeballception?
This has been a PSA.
This has been a PSA. Just wear your safety goggles. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these hacks. Also, comment down below what your favorite was. Ours was obviously the candy apples. They were so good. And under the black light, they kind of look like blood. Yeah, because they look red under black light. It's interesting. It's actually really weird. Dropping knowledge. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday. And Robot Run Ready every single Saturday. Turn on post notifications because you get notified every single time we post. Yeah! And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out. Love how you show your fails, which definitely, I mean, yeah.
did that today.
Some people literally like fake it. They don't show the fails and then you make it. And then you fail and you're like, oh, I think something's wrong with me. No, GoldieBlox and Ruby Rail signing off. Bye. Look at that. We didn't even have to practice. We knew that by heart. Yeah, see that red subscribe button? Seems like a perfect time to hit it. Boom, done. Welcome to the Goldie Squad.